welcome back with me, Reza Alfiandy. In this video, I will give your old friend tutorial traditional medicine. Before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Reza Alfiandy. I am a student at University Maritim Raja Ali Haji. Okay guys, in this video, I choose Coke. Well, do your friends know the cause of coughing? The cause of cough is the first infection, and the second smoking, and the last because inhaling dust or smoke. Well, to make traditional medicine, the ingredients that you have to prepare. First tamarind, and the second brown sugar, and the last hot water. And then let's see the step. Very easy step. All you have to do is mix tamarind and brown sugar. Okay. Then stir so that it is even. Okay. After that, enter into the warm water that. Okay, was provided early, then stir evenly. After that, and your drink, and so easy. Okay guys, that's all I can give your old friends. Hopefully useful for our friends. Thank you guys, and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.